Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Swift Home has elegance, style, and comfort. Look at this beautiful comforter set. It is gorgeous. I love the ruching that's formed by these beautiful round buttons that are clustered all over. And you can see how this design is going to bring elegance to your room like it does mine. This three-piece set comes with 2 pillow shams that will really make your room gorgeous. I like to pair mine with some Euro shams and a few accent pillows to make this look complete. This Swift Home Comforter Set is very soft. It's breathable and you will love it. I am so happy to have this Swift Home Beautiful Comforter Set. It is luxurious and so soft to the touch. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.